唔緊張啊，第一次搭飛機喎。
Good morning, everyone.
Alright guys, in the past 5 years of always exploring, we've never packed so early. We packed like 6 hours in advance for this trip because for the first time we're flying with the where's the baby? Oh, in here. Okay. We're flying to Sapporo.
Yeah, we thought like, let's not just go to Tokyo, it's too close. Let's go 12 hours via Hong Kong, get some dandan mian and dim sum on the way.
Our little one is flying for the first time. I'm excited.
I haven't flown in so long. And first family holiday with a little baba. Can you hold my phone, please?
Seriously?
I've seen you before.
Where did you see me?
I think here.
Oh guys, because I come here all the time.
He hasn't seen me before. This is my first flight in 7 months.
Oh my god, I don't remember traveling with you.
I know, I feel like I got desensitized after traveling for so long, but now I'm like, yeah, let's go.
Sometimes when I travel, I stay in like shitty hotel in Guangzhou, like Pao Fong Hotel, just so I can save money for important trips like this. Last time from Singapore to KL was a bit hectic, baby didn't like the car seat at all. I think, finger crossed this time should be more smooth. 出發仲有2粒鐘喎，而家先10點幾，你仲唔瞓覺點算啊 ？Mommy is down, baby is wide awake. 幫你換尿片啊！我們不討論的關係很接近，卻不是。
Okay, and then around her. Okay, sure, got it.
緊唔緊張啊？第一次搭飛機喎。
Good morning, everyone.
No complaints. So far, so good.
Don't jinx it. She's just so curious about everything. It's like the middle of her night, but she can't sleep. And she's amazed by all the lights and TVs and everything.
I also can't sleep because I'll be. First 5 hours done. Just landed in Hong Kong.
A pair of sunglasses for me.
Eyes are so red already. 三過監門而不入，因為我要轉機。9 more hours to go. The pier, layover, stop, get some food. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's continue the party.
OK， 唔好喊，好唔好喊啦嗱，唔好喊，哇，好唔俾面啊！喺呢度換片換得好開心啊！嚟到呢度喺香港轉機好爽嘅，俾大家睇下呢個係咩？Tea。
Yes, sir.
有唔同嘅日本煎茶，但係我而家唔係好想飲茶，因為5 AM 太早啊，我比較想飲 California 嘅 Pinot Noir 唔係。I mean, it's 5 AM, but it's 5 PM somewhere.
Sir, it's 6 AM. Why are you drinking red wine?
Well, I asked the bartender, is it normal? He said, yeah, it's very normal. Everyone does that.
But that's if you're changing time zones. You're not changing time zones.
As I said, it's 5 PM or 6 PM somewhere.
I take this food very seriously. I need to be up close and personal. One of my top 10 favorite foods of all time. Oh my god, that peanut sauce.
BB 都想食啊，係咁喊啊 If you're bored of like dim sum and all that, here is the western section of the pier. You can drink beer, Carlsberg, Asahi. Favorite feature is the. It's great. Our journey is more than halfway through. We had a good rest.
We get a sneaky little egg tart to go. Ooh, yes.
Yes.
You want one?
You go. Another half of the journey to go. Well, feeling very refreshed and connecting in Hong Kong makes the journey a lot easier.
Cheese. Not all. Half. You crazy?
Alright guys, 5 hours left in the journey now. My parents are here, so they play baby. Parents joining us in the connection flight in Hong Kong. So another advantage for connecting in Hong Kong, so I can finally sleep. OK， 換尿片，哇，好靚喎又，點換啊？ OK， 冷靜啊！我的愛一出就像雨水，窗外蝴蝶。老豆一唱歌就唔喊咩 ？Done。
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Enjoy your trip.
Thanks。我要呢個 croissant 唔該。Oh, 18 hours done. Where's the baby? Where's the baby?
Baby.
Wow, this is the ad I like. Wow. 搭飛機唔喊，坐車先喊。佢真係唔中意坐車。Alright, guys, we check into this hotel in Sapporo. It's our first night gonna stay here, and then the following few days we're gonna stay in a villa house. But everything in Japan is so tiny. Like, look at how tiny this TV is. And the chair is so tiny. Just feels so tiny. Everything. It's right at your this level. How do you brush your teeth?
No, and I was also holding a baby, so I couldn't even. So I had to use the cup and spit it down at you.
So when I shower, I'll hit my here, and here I can see here.
Oh, it's great. So we can have a conversation.
Yeah, but it's like, whoa. How? Well, even the mirror, I won't be able to check my hair. I have to go like this. 今次我哋選擇咗夏天嚟北海道，因為冬天太貴，而且我唔識滑雪啦，所以北海道或者係黑龍江對於我嚟講都係一樣嘅。北海道夏天有佢嘅美，燦爛嘅太陽花，冇遊客嘅餐廳，當然唔少得北海道嘅北海道啤酒，都係我嘅 favorite。我唔使抽女，所以都幾推薦大家夏天嚟北海道嘅。好似我哋住呢間民宿咁樣啦，有3層4間房啦，適合一家大細居住。夏天嘅話14,000港幣，冬天嘅話1萬隨時2萬至3萬港幣，我覺得仲貴過瑞士。但聽講北海道滑雪係好過瑞士啊！日本作為我第一個一家大細嘅 long trip， 真係非常之適合，因為這裡帶娃的設施實在是太齊全了。This shopping mall has the best nursing room we have ever seen. Check this out.
It's insane. Like they even have signs for what tap the tap is for. This tap here is for cooling down your milk bottles. And then you don't have to go to the pediatrician. Like you can come here and you can measure your baby, the height. You can take the baby's weight. You can take the baby's height here when they're standing. There's no.
Oh, this is for standing?
Yeah, you can see how tall they are.
Oh my god. Oh, they teach you.
And then also, like you saw a Japanese mom take the nappy, like she carries a whole a thick pad so the baby's more comfortable, and then like she does everything so perfectly and clean. Doesn't talk to the baby, but just like uses hand signals to like tell the baby don't move, and then wraps up the plastic bag so clean and tight, and then it's like it's everything is so well thought out.
Yeah, we come here and then we feel like we live in 2024 and Japan is living in 2040.
And we also are living in a world without manners because we forgot.
But no one here.